doing the wee-wees on the puppy pee pad. That's good. Come on. Come on. Dinner time. Dinner time. Come on, babas. Come on. Come on. Good afternoon, you lovely people, and welcome. It's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour over a, oh, having trouble with my glove, look at this. A pour over previously, I did the pour and I didn't like it, so I scraped it and wiped it, and I'm going to pour over it. So yes, you can do that. You can do whatever you choose to do, because remember, it's your art room, your rules, your way. Don't stress over anything. It's your own time in your own place, so you don't have to go by rules of any description. So welcome so much for joining me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done so, please do so. Today I'm going to do funny old kind of puddle pours. That's what I'm going to do. Puddle pours. Puddle pours. Different puddles with different colours, and then swipe over the whole lot. Haven't done this for a long time, so wish me luck. Here we go. My dogs are playing here. Benson, get off her. He's sort of wanting to play with Bindi, and she's the mama and doesn't really want to be playing, but that's how it goes. Okay, puddle pours. So what I'm using today is my lovely Mont Studio acrylics with the clear PVA glue and water. The pouring medium recipe is in my drop down box. I will tell you the colours as I go, and work our way through that. Okay, so that was the lovely white. This is violet. Violet. It's been a lovely, lovely winter's day here in Australia. I mean, it's quite warm today. Definitely t-shirt and shorts weather, that's for sure. This is pink, pale, just pink, pink, pink. This is a little bit runny, this one. Probably should have made this a little bit thicker, but we just go with it. Go with the flow. This one's magenta. Oops, I didn't mean to pour in that puddle, but never mind. Must have been meant to be. Oops, 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 oops. Where are we going? I wonder. Now I'm really going to throw some, I love pink and oranges together. This orange I made with, you know, the Mont orange, but I put a good dash of yellow in it because it really brightens up the orange. And I love orange with pinks, pinky tones and lilacs. They looks good. Well, we'll start to put some anyone for fried egg, because that's what it looks like, isn't it? A fried egg. So this is the yellow. I don't put it in that one. Oop, 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 oop. Don't know what kind of bird that is out there. This is the green light, and I think I was testing some blue in it. I'm not sure whether I should use this. It might be a big mistake, so I just hope not. Just feeling that I should have put this in, but I could be wrong for sure with the green. So I might go some white in the green. Just nice and easy, therapeutic. Just enjoy your time with yourself. Just think about your paints. Don't think about anything else. Righty. Needed a bit of a darker colour in there, but maybe I go. This is my navy that I make up myself out of the phthalo blue, a blob of black and a blob of dark green. I'm going to put a blob of gold in there, the lovely gold. All of these paints have got a few drops of the Helmar silicone in. Might do a few more blobs. Or pour the pink on the outside, might be the go, yeah. Because I'm going to tilt all of this in a minute, so... use every last bit of my paint up, so try not to waste any. I'll move that out of the way for a second or two. Why am I feeling I need another blob of blue on top? Okay, let's do this, you sweet thing. Just going to give it a gentle tilt. See what magic we can create, hopefully. Come on, stick into my pea pad. Hey, get out of time. Okie doke, let's do this. Let's come down here a bit. Just nice and slow. Just take it slow. No hurry. No hurry whatsoever. Losing my grip on it. Oh, I'm losing too much. That's what you do when you try and cover corners, you see. You lose your paints, which you don't want to do, so you shouldn't worry so much about the very corners. Just finger pop it with a bit of paint, because we're going to sort that out. Do want a bit more colour up there though in that corner, because I'm going to swipe it, as I said. Just gonna see whether laying the paints that different way, that when you come to swipe, if it makes any difference whatsoever, or was I just wasting my time? But I'm sure it's going to have a different look than what I would normally do in a swipe. No. Let me think. Do I really want to add a blob of yellow, orange on these blue? Because I can and I want to. So might look a real odd painting, or it might look a gem. You can only try. So I am going to put the blue, I'm going to put the blue on the top, and I'm going to swipe down through the whole lot. So let's get my soft plastic file divider, and let's see if it makes any difference the way I've layered the paint in the little donuts all over the place, or it makes to my swipe. Might make absolutely no difference. It might be terrific. Nice and slowly, it's no rush. Wow, okay, it's looking like a night sky. If you look at it this way, looks like over an ocean. Reflection over an ocean with the star meteor shower. Well, I know some of my viewers have got the most amazing imagination, because some of the things that you've been picking out in my work of late, you know, things that you've seen have, you know, amazed me, because made me look at the art again in a different way. That does look like a lovely reflection over an ocean. And today I'm going to just bring out the big guns and try my butane torch to see if I can get my Jilly gems. There's the Jilly gems. Anybody that loves cells and wants cells, this particular paint and the pouring medium, it will basically give you them every time. Love it. I haven't done one of those for so long and left it with me Gilly gems, and they are absolutely gemming up, just beautiful. I'm going to just leave that now for the paint to absorb into the canvas, and I'll come back when it's all dried off, take some photos, and there'll be photos on the end to show you, unless those that know me better think no, Gilly will come back and do some balloon kissing on that. But maybe before I go, I might just do one balloon kiss. You know, a balloon kiss amongst friends didn't hurt, did it? And you're all friends, we're all here, we're all in this together. Oh gosh, I'm in a weird mood today, silly mood. Oh yes, I like it. Wow, I like it. Might not go all over with it, but I think some balloon kissing to give it a little frame would not go amiss. I think that needs a roll. So if you want to roll the balloon, this is what you do. So you push it in and just roll your wrist, and you get this lovely, lovely effect. The paint is a little bit too wet for a real good balloon kiss at the minute, so leaving the paint for a little bit longer would definitely benefit this particular painting. But I just wanted to show you. I just think giving it, yeah, there's a few kisses. I won't try and move it right now, just to frame it. Ugh. Either that way or the other way. That looks quite nice. So I'll give you a little demo on the balloon roll because people have asked again. So I'll keep your balloon, try and keep your balloon clean. So push it in and roll your wrist off. It's nice doing the rolls off the edges. You know, I'm going to leave that with the balloon kisses just on the bottom because I think it suits this particular one. And I mean, now these clusters are completely joining up and having one big lovely party together, but they look so much like gems because I have all those colours condensed in that donut, kind of a donut pour, wasn't it? Pouring them all in donuts. I love it. Haven't done one of those for such a long time, and that's what I used to do these all the time because I love them so much. I think I might have to get back to my basics to doing, I mean, I love all of my artwork, but I really do love the clusters and that kind of pour. So thanks so much for joining me today, folks, and I hope you enjoy that one. Let me know what you think. And until next time, bye for now. Wait for my Gilly joke, and there might be a few photos of the puppies. Until next time, bye. Yeah, wait on for the photos. Nana joke for today is, did you hear the rumour about butter? Well, I'm not going to spread it. Oh my goodness. Terrible joke. A cheese factory exploded in France. Debris is everywhere. Debris is everywhere. They get worse, I tell you, they get worse. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye for now.